My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. This is my gardening channel and here we are in late winter, early spring, and I've got a treat to share with you. And I've talked about this plant before. This is the remarkable Edgeworthia. But don't get hung up on it being this particular plant. This plant has great fragrance, great bark, great foliage and beautiful flowers. But there's many plants like this. But we don't grow them because we can't get them. But what they need is a little bit of winter protection. And if you put some effort and you end up with flowers like this, I mean, look at the size of it. It's just beautiful. But the secret is you need to build yourself a little bit of protection. Now, you can make this protection out of anything. And what you're doing is you're slowing down the wind speed and you're preventing cold, desiccating wind from freezing and sucking out all the moisture from the branches, which causes dieback. So I have an old sheet, an old sail, some pieces of plywood. In fact, it's not even plywood. It's a compressed board that I use for an interior project. And it took me maybe half an hour to build this back in late November, early December. It's been up 3 months. It's absolutely done the job that I wanted it to do. And there you can see the Edgeworthia in the background in all its glory. But the reason that I want to impress upon you is that this is very easy to do, incredibly productive, but you don't want to build it too soon and you don't want to leave it on too long. Because remember, you get the sun come out with no wind and the temperature inside this little area really can get quite hot. So I had the back of it open so it could vent. So you protect the wind, but you prevent it from getting too hot. Now the downside is that it does look a little bit scruffy. It's not exactly neat and tidy, but I think that this plant in full flower is something to truly behold. There must be over 100 flower buds on there. Now the plastic garbage can I just removed has got the plant called Tetrapanax underneath it. So I was able to build a structure that protected both the Edgeworthia and the Tetrapanax. These two plants will be a focal point in the garden. So this little bit of effort goes a long way, and this is what you get. Now around the corner we've got another plant, and this year I did not protect it. And what I want to share with you is that this is the hardy banana, Musa basjoo, and you'll see how the frost has got to it, but not low down. It's soft on the outside, but in the inside it's still got its crown. The growth above ground is toast. It's called flaccid. It's lost its turgid cell pressure, and I'm going to come along soon and give this a really big haircut. Be very careful. You don't want to cut down too hard or too soon. Right now this is protecting the plant from being frozen more than it is. So there you go, that's Musa basjoo. So 3 plants worth protecting: hardy banana, the Tetrapanax, and the beautiful Edgeworthia. Thank you so much. Bye for now.